Fighting for justice, the Attorney General questions the handling of the Adnan Syed case and criticizes how city prosecutors notified the victim's family. Hello, I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Vic Carter. Welcome to those of you watching on CBS News Baltimore and on WJZ-TV.
A judge released Adnan Syed last month after he served more than 20 years in prison for the killing of Hae Min Lee, whose body was found in Leakin Park, but the case did not end there.
In a new court filing, Attorney General Brian Frost challenges State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby. He cites several exclusive WJZ interviews.
So we've been following every development in this case, and WJZ investigator Mike Helgren, he's live at the Cummings Courthouse downtown with today's new war of words. Mike.
And Denise and Vic, it remains to be seen whether the Court of Special Appeals will take any action based on the Attorney General's arguments. But the Attorney General criticized a lot, including what he called the extraordinary speed that this case moved through the court system. Maryland Attorney General Brian Frost slams Baltimore City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby in a new court filing over her handling of the Adnan Syed case. Frost claims Mosby's office did not treat the family of murder victim Hae Min Lee with dignity, respect, and sensitivity, failing to give them proper notice they were moving to throw out Syed's conviction. The fact that communications with the Lee family fell so shockingly short of best practices is illuminating, he says. Frost also attacked Mosby's claims that handwritten notes about two suspects, including one who threatened to kill Lee, were withheld from prosecutors for years, what's known as a Brady violation, saying no one ever contacted anyone from the Office of the Attorney General who was involved in the prosecution of the case. And remarkably, the state's attorney's office did not even speak with Kevin Urich, the author of the notes upon which the allegation of the egregious Brady violation is based. In the filing, Frost says Mosby's office selectively quoted one of the allegedly undisclosed notes describing the threat against Ms. Lee, but did not quote the remainder of the note, which suggested that the caller did not take the threat seriously. Frost cited his interview with WJZ.
The folks that I've spoken to and that our office has spoken to say the notes were produced. But more importantly, I have to say, we gave them to her. That's where she got them in the first place. We're not withholding them from anybody.
Mosby has repeatedly and strongly denied any allegations that Lee's family was improperly notified, and she says she acted appropriately in moving to throw out the conviction and clearing Syed and Lee's murder when new DNA tests excluded him.
And we used advanced DNA to determine that it was not Adnan Syed. We got DNA this time.
A Maryland appeals court must now decide whether to take up the Attorney General's concerns with Syed free and cleared of wrongdoing in the 1999 killing. Syed's defense attorneys say the Attorney General's office should not be part of the case at this point. Lee's family tells us they'll have another court filing on Thursday in the case. Live at the Cummings Courthouse, Mike Helgren, WJZ.